Look at all the money. And what kind of coins do you see in the picture?
Loony.
A loonie. Where's the loonie? Show me the loonie.
Right here.
Good. What else do you see? Pardon?
Nickel.
A nickel. Can you point to the nickel? Good. This is a nickel. That's right. And what else do you see?
Quarter.
A quarter. Right here. Yeah, that's a quarter. What else?
Loony.
A loonie. Good job.
I already did one.
Oh, you already did a loonie? Yeah. What else do you see? What's this one?
Tuni.
A toonie. Yeah. What else? Excellent. What's that coin that you just circled? What is that called? A penny. And it's worth how many cents?
1.
Excellent. Okay, let's go through the story and we'll learn more about the coins.
Look at all the money. This is a penny.
Penny. And let's look at what's special about the penny. What is it worth?
It is 1
cent. This symbol here represents cents. It's 1 cent. And it actually says this on the penny. Look, it says 1 cent on the penny if you look at it carefully.
This is a nickel. It is 5 cents.
Good. Can you find the word cents on the nickel? Excellent. And the number 5? The number 5. 5 cents. Good.
It is the same as 5 pennies.
Okay, so if I have 1 nickel, it's the same as having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. So this is 5 cents.
5.
And this is 5 cents. Okay, what does this say?
This is a dime.
A dime.
It is 10 cents.
Good. Can you find the number 10 on the dime?
Okay.
10. And can you find the word cents? That doesn't say cents. What does that say? That says Canada.
Oh.
There it is. Good job.
Hey, what
10
did you do?
cents.
It is the same as 10 pennies.
Okay, so 1 dime, which is 10 cents, is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pennies because they're each 1 cent. Go.
This is a quarter. It is 25 cents.
Can you find 25 cents on the coin? Excellent. And let's read this page.
This
No?
it
Yeah?
is the same as 20 pennies.
How many pennies?
25 pennies.
25 pennies because this is 25 cents and it's equal to how many pennies? Let's count by 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So 5. Count by 5s.
5, 10, 15, 20. No.
Not that color?
Where's the other?
You want to change the color?
25.
Good. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 cents.
This is a loonie. It is $1.
Excellent. Does it have the number 1 on the coin anywhere? No. No, but what does it say?
Dove.
Dollar.
Dollar.
It's $1.
$1.
And how do we show the dollar sign? Do you know how to write the dollar sign? Like this. Good. It's an S with 2 lines. You want to try? And put a number 1 there. You can put your palm down. There you go. Good. And then 2 lines going through it. So this is $1, and it's equal to how many pennies? Let's read this. It
is the same as 100 pennies.
Wow. So $1 is equal to 100 cents. And how many do you think are in each row? 1, 2, 3,
10.
4. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one group of 10. How many groups of 10 do you think we have to get to 100? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, what comes after 50? 60. 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents is equal to $1. Go.
This is a Tuni. It is $2.
Good. Now, do you see the number 2 on the Tuni?
Yes.
Can you circle it? Excellent. So the Tuni actually has the number 2 on it. The Tuni says $2. How many pennies do you think a Tuni is equal to?
200.
Let's read.
It is the same as 200 pennies.
Okay, so let's put the dollar symbol. $2 equals, and how many pennies are here?
200.
200 cents. Wow, that's a lot of pennies. Can you see 12 pennies on this page over here? Can you circle the 12 pennies? That's right, you found 12. Okay, now we're going to see if we can find 5. What's the name of this coin? Nickel. Excellent. What was the name of this coin? We forgot to write it down.
Oh, penny.
Penny. So let's find 5 nickels. You're going to circle them with red. Good. You found the 5 nickels. Well, let me ask you a question. Each nickel is worth how many cents?
5.
5 cents. So if you circled 5 nickels, how many cents is that all together? If each one is 5 cents, how many nickels?
25.
25 cents. Excellent. So that's a total of 25 cents in nickels. Okay, let's do the next one. What color do you want?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find 10. What are these called?
Dime.
Dimes. And how much is a dime worth?
10 cents.
10 cents. That's right. So let's see if we can count 10 dimes. And then we're going to figure out how much that's worth. How much do you think it's worth?
100.
100 what? $100 or 100 cents?
100 cents.
And do you remember how much 100 cents is? How many dollars that is?
1 loonie.
Yeah, $1. 1 loonie. That's right. 10 dimes is equal to $1. Okay, let's circle the dimes. Good job. You found all the dimes. Excellent. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, so now we're going to see if we can find 4. What's the name of this coin? Quarter. And how much is a quarter worth? How many cents?
25 cents.
Okay, if you have 4 quarters, how many cents do you have altogether? You have 25 cents.
100.
Good. Plus 25 cents, plus 25 cents, plus 25 cents equals 100 what? cents. And what does that equal to in dollars?
$1.
$1. It's the same thing. 1 loonie, that's right. Okay, so let's circle the quarters. Okay, for the next one, we have seven, what are these called?
Loony.
Loonies. And each loonie is worth how much?
100.
100 cents or $100? 100 cents, which is equal to $1. So if you have 7 loonies, how many dollars do you have all together?
$7.
$7, that's right. Can you find the 7 loonies? Can you see 3, what's this one called?
Tuni.
Tuni. How much is a tuni worth?
$200. 200 cents.
200 cents, which is how many dollars? $2. If you have 3 tunies, how many dollars do you have?
6.
Excellent. $6 in tunies. Can we find the $6 in
wow.
tunies?
Mom?
Great work. You found all the coins.